Chapter 5 Personalizing Windows Environment. Lesson Objective: Learn to change the display settings. Learn to change the screen resolution. Learn to change date and time settings. In the previous chapter, we learned about the various types of software. The operating system, OS, is the most basic software that should be present on a computer system. The software that acts as an interface between the user and the hardware is the operating system, OS. Microsoft Windows is the most popular OS. The various versions of Windows OS available today include Windows 7, Windows 8, and Windows 10. When working with Windows, we can customize the appearance and functionality of the computer according to our preferences. This task, customizing the computer, can be done using the control panel. The control panel window can be opened from the Start menu. In this chapter, we will learn about changing display and date or time settings in Windows 10 through control panel.
Input and output devices. Input and output devices of a computer system are the devices that connect you to computer. Input devices let you transfer data and use this command into the computer system. For example, you can type in data by using a keyboard, or you can input data in picture form by using a scanner in computer system. On the other hand, output devices display the result of input data or signals after processing it. Examples of these could be your computer's monitor, which displays the data you have typed on keyboard, and picture you have scanned in scanner. Computer peripherals. Input and output devices are called computer peripherals. These devices allow the computer system to interact with the outside world by moving data into and out of the computer system. Examples of some input devices are keyboard, mouse, light pen, touchscreen, joystick, scanner, barcode reader, digital camera. An output device is used to send data out of the system. The user sees the result after processing of data by the computer through output devices. Examples of some output devices are monitor, printer, plotter, speaker. Input devices. Keyboard. It is the most common and essential input device used for entering data and information into the computer system. The user can enter data into the computer by pressing a set of keys on the keyboard. In a keyboard, letters are printed on the keys. The first keyboard was developed in the 18th century and was called as a QWERTY keyboard. Function keys, multimedia keys, alphabet keys, spacebar key, special keys, numeric keys. In general, a computer keyboard has following keys. 1. Alphanumeric keys. These include letters and numbers. 2. Symbol keys. These include comma, period, semicolon, at, ampersand, etc. 3. Special keys. These can be function keys, control keys, arrow keys, and caps lock key, etc. Mouse. A mouse is a handy device which can be moved on a smooth surface to cause the movement of a cursor on the screen. It is a pointing device which is used to input data and information into the computer system by pointing on it. Types of mouse. Mouse could be mechanical, optical, or cordless types. Further information regarding these types are as follows. A. Mechanical mouse. It uses ball for the movement of cursor on the computer screen. When the ball is rolled in any direction, a sensor of the mouse detects it and also moves the mouse pointer in the same direction. B. Optical mouse. It uses laser rays for the movement of cursor on the computer screen. It is an advanced pointing device. Movement is detected by sensing changes in the reflected light rather than the motion of a rolling sphere. C. Cordless mouse. It is battery driven and does not need any wire for the physical connection with the CPU. It transmits data through infrared or radio signal. Computer mice are very useful in designing pictures, graphs, and video games by multimedia designers. A mouse pad is required to move the mouse because it provides a smooth surface. However, an optical or laser mouse doesn't require a mouse pad. Tablet. It is a computer input device that allows one to hand draw images and graphics, similar to the way one draws images with a pencil and paper. These are used by architects, engineers, and designers in computer-aided design or CAD for designing buildings, cars, mechanical parts, robots, etc. These are also used in Global Positioning System GPS for digitalizing of maps. Facts.com. Graphics tablet is most suited for artists and those who want the natural feel of a pen-like object to manipulate the cursor on their screen. Wacom is the most well-known manufacturer of graphics tablets and is incredibly well respected. Joystick. It is a remote control device for a computer which is used for playing video games to indicate the position. It has a stick that pivots on a base and is used for controlling the action in video games. Joysticks are also used for controlling machines such as cranes, trucks, underwater unmanned vehicles, flight simulators, industrial robots, etc. Light pen. A light pen is a pen-like light-sensitive device. It is connected by a wire to the computer terminal to detect the CRT or cathode ray tube beam as an input signal. It is used to draw on the screen or to point to the displayed objects. A light pen can work with any CRT monitor but not with LCD, that is liquid crystal display monitors. It is used by architects and engineers for CAD applications and editing. Touch screens. Touch screens are monitors or electronic visual display screens which detect where they are being touched. Digital camera. A digital camera is an electronic device which takes video or still photographs or both digitally by recording images. These cameras use memory cards with flash memory to store images. Scanners. It is an input device and is used to input data into the computer system in the form of pictures. It optically scans images, printed text, handwriting, or an object and converts it to a digital image. Examples of scanners are a desktop or flatbed scanner. In these scanners, the document is placed on a glass window for scanning. Another type of scanner is a planetary scanner. Three-dimensional scanners are used for producing three-dimensional models of objects. Barcode reader. It is an electronic device which is used to read printed barcodes. Barcodes represent alphanumeric data, which is a combination of vertical lines or bars that vary in width and length. It is a fast and effective way to input data. A barcode reader uses a laser beam to read the series of thick and thin lines which represent the barcode number. The barcode is 13 digits long and it has 4 main divisions.